I let go, I let time run free, waiting for the sky to clear slowly. I search for my road, not knowing where to go. Then her eyes stop me soft and low. When everything shakes and I lose my ground, she's right there, calm and unbound. In the silence or the noise of the night, her presence makes everything feel right. She lives inside my mind, always there when I doubt, when I hide. I see her even more true when her smile moves with a gentle groove. She walks with me, even far away, in every